for the prayer?
I can do it.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Our dear Father in heaven, we're so grateful for this day. We're grateful for the opportunity we have to be here this evening together to study math and to work on our project together. We're grateful for this group and the work we put in to learning and helping each other. And we ask that you please bless us as we take this quiz, that we can do so and understand. And we say these things in the name of thy Son, Jesus Christ. Amen.
I don't know where that happened. Okay. Just one more thing to open and I'll be done. Okay. So I was a little confused on this. I didn't get to put as much time in it as I'd like to because I was hurrying through today. But so might need a little help.
Okay.
Okay, so number 3, who would like to start off?
I'll start.
Okay.
So in the linear equation, regression equation, y equals 2 plus 1.5x, what is the y-intercept? I put 2.
That's what I got.
Yep, that's what I would have done.
You said 2?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So the y-intercept is that number that kind of stands alone in the equation.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, Ross, you want to go next?
Yeah, I'll take 4. Given the linear regression equation, y equals 2 plus 1.5x was the slope. Got 1.5.
Yep.
What I would have done. Okay.
Okay, so I'll do number 5. I'm assuming there's never mind, some math here. Just a second. Let me pull up my Excel thing. I got 1.
That's what I got.
Me too.
Okay. So how did you get 1? You did negative 3 plus.
So I did, yeah, plus 0.25 times 16. About 16. Yeah.
Okay. That's what I thought you had to do, but I hadn't got that far. Okay. All right. So the next 7 questions. Okay. Make a scatter plot of the math of the data and of these 3 data shapes introduced in the reading. Which shape best describes the data? Okay. Let me put that in. Oh boy. Okay, that looks like a hot dog.
That's what I got.
Yeah, me too.
And it doesn't look like a banana. Doesn't look like a hamburger. Okay. Hot dog it is.
Cool. I honestly thought it looked a little bit like a squid, but since that's not one of the options,
Yes.
next time. Okay, based on the shape of your scatter plot, what can you say about the appropriateness of using simple linear regression? And I mean, for the other two, for hamburger and banana, linear regression is not appropriate. I figured it is appropriate. I just put the first one.
That's what I was thinking too.
I wasn't quite clear on what that exactly means, though, but I'll figure it out.
First one.
So
How
you
many
said.
observations? What was that?
So you said it was a banana, right?
A hot
No,
dog.
hot dog.
That was a hot
Does it look
dog.
like a banana to you? Does it look like a banana to you, Mike?
I haven't even gotten that far. Okay. All right. Never mind. Let's move on. Hot dog.
The part in the text where it talks about that is under number 3.
Yeah, I'm looking at it now. I just thought we had said banana. Sorry.
Yeah.
I don't know how I got banana.
Number 8, how many observations are in the data? I got 139.
Is it 139 or is it the exemplatory variable and the response variable? Does that make sense?
So would that be even?
Oh, I was just thinking it'd be 139 times 2, but I'm not sure.
Where are you getting the one? Are you just getting the number of how many there were? Is that what your 139 was?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's let me see if I can find it in the textbook real fast. Observe. No, I think it is 139. Oh, I don't know. All right, Ross, what are we going to put? 139?
Yeah, let's go with that. And if we get that wrong, then we'll just do that times 2.
Okay.
Is it my turn?
Yes.
Okay. What is the y-intercept? So is the y-intercept supposed to be somewhere on this spreadsheet, or is this something I have to calculate with that formula?
Yeah, it's on
Yeah.
the spreadsheet. It's G13.
Kind of in the middle. Yeah.
Say that again.
G13.
I have 1.296.
That's what I have.
18.690.
You have 18, Ross?
Yeah.
Huh.
So what I did was I just put the two datas in the X and the Y column. Did I do something wrong there?
No, that's what I did too.
That's what I
Well,
did.
maybe I
Which
got
ones
it wrong
did you
too.
put? Which set of data did you put in the X part?
So the X column, I put the score, and the Y column, I put the confidence rating mean.
Yeah. In the instructions, it says be sure to use the confidence data for the explanatory variable, which is X. So you just have to.
Oh.
Oh. Got it.
All right. Well, let me just move things around here.
Yeah.
For
Yeah, me
noticing
too.
that.
That makes sense though, because they want to see how one way. That's the grade is the response variable, and the confidence interval is the explanatory. Okay, 18.690.
0.
I thought I read somewhere that it didn't matter which one you put in.
I think
Is
for
that
one,
true?
not that. I don't think for that particular thing, but there was one thing that it didn't matter for, but I guess for everything else it does. Is what I'm trying to say.
Okay. Well, I haven't. My computer's slow. I'm pasting it in. Just almost done. Okay, 18.690. Okay. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. So what is the slope then? And the slope is 12.695.
Yeah.
Yep.
So what is the predicted value when x is 4? Let's see here. Let me double check.
You just tell me how you did that too.
Yeah.
So,
yeah.
Yeah, so I take 4 and just plug it into that slope in y-intercept formula. So 4 times our slope, which was 12.695, and then add the slope interval, which was 18.690, gives us y, which is 69.47.
And it actually shows in G18. You could just type in 4 there,
Wow.
and it shows
Look at
predicted
you,
right next to it.
Ross.
Type in 4 where it says 6.
Yeah.
Wow.
That gives
That's
us
what they were talking about.
yeah,
Because I read that and I thought, what?
So it's 69.469.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's pretty cool. Just got to remember to do that on the
Yeah.
On the exam.
man.
Yeah.
All right. The confidence data resulted from students evaluating their confidence for each question on a scale of 1 to 6. What is the maximum predicted value of y for these values of x? So the maximum predicted value of y would be 91.842.
Yep, that's what I got.
Can you explain that one?
Yeah, so it's just like the confidence intervals, basically. But for that prediction of 4 that we typed in just before, it would be that number. And that it shows that in N18.
So it just gives you the answer of the largest, the maximum anyway. Okay.
Yeah, that, and then the lower or the minimum is right next to that.
If you know how to read these things, it's not as bad.
I agree.
It's just a challenge. Yeah. And you know what? I just closed it. I just closed it. I don't know why I just closed it. I don't know why I just closed it, but I just closed it. Okay. Let me see here. Just a second. Okay. How many response variables are present in simple linear regression? Number 14. That's what we're at.
13.
How many explanatory variables are present in simple linear regression? Is it 1?
Are you doing question 13 or 14?
13?
So the
13.
independent?
I say as 1, but that's, yeah, I don't know. But I'm assuming it's 1.
I don't even know about how to do that.
Neither do I. I don't remember seeing that in the reading.
I don't either.
I'm running through it to see if I can find where it says it. I'm gonna try and Google it. Okay. It says 1. Linear regression attempts to model the relationship between two variables near equation to observe data. One variable is considered an explanatory variable and the other is considered to be a dependent variable. So I think the answer to both of them is 1. There's an explanatory and there's the response. I think it was kind of like a trick question.
Yeah. I love those trick questions. They get, it's just like when I talk with Sister Lynn, you outthink this, Kathy. It's just like, well, what am I supposed to do?
Yeah, I think we all do that sometimes.
Yeah.
So 1 and 1, okay. So question 15, a company in South Dakota manufactures hard hats used in the mining industry. They record measurements on all the hats they produce for quality control and planning purposes. The measurements they collect include hat size, circumference of the hat, and length of the major and minor axes. Meaning the company wants to predict size of hat given the circumference. What is the response variable? It is is it the size of the hat?
Which one, the first one or the third
I
one?
think it's the third one.
I think it's the first one.
The first one?
Yeah, I was thinking the first.
Because they're using different words being used, and it is the variable. I would agree with the first one. We'll go with the first one. Because they use
Okay, good. Because I already turned in the test, the quiz, and it is the first one. But we did miss one. We missed number 12.
Number 12.
Yeah.
Maybe no. What is the name?
It says in the hint, we could use the largest X value to find the largest predicted value of Y.
You don't minus them, do you? Like you do the margin, but don't do it doubled. Don't divide it by twice.
No, I think if you look at the hint on the bottom of that question, I think we have to put the largest X value in there as X so that we can find the largest predicted
Out
value.
of the whole row.
I'm not sure if it's out of the whole row or if it's just 6 because it's 1 through 6 is what the scores are allowed, I guess.
The largest X variable is 6. So we just need to plug that into, oh, you know what? I think it's because we changed X to 4 when we changed that. And then, so if you change it back to 6, which is the largest, then it changes the highest Y score to 117,447. Wait, no, 94.859. I'm not sure.
I got 117.445 if I put 6 in there. 117.445 if I put 6 in there.
Yeah, I got 117.445.
Is it that one or is it the predicted 94.859?
Oh. Okay.
Because that's the predicted value of Y right there.
What did we put in before?
Before we put in 4 to get the predicted value, now we're putting in 6 to get the predicted value.
I see. Okay. So 9.
Does that sound right, or do we want to stick with the interval?
What is the maximum predicted value? It's not asking for an interval.
Yeah, I think it would be that 94.859.
I would agree.
94.859.
Yeah.
Well, does someone want to submit that and let me know?
Okay. 94.859. Okay. I'll submit it. Yeah, that was right. It's 100%.
So it was the 94.859.
Yes.
Alrighty, perfect.
Yep, I got 100 on it. So
Praise
Awesome.
God.
Yay! Oh no, what did I do wrong? I did something wrong. That's okay. I submitted it, but since it was my second time, I just typed in question 11's answer wrong. So it's fine. It's just a point.
Well, just email her and ask her if she'll let you do it one more time. Tell her what happened.
yeah, she's done that for me too.
Yeah.
I messed up. Okay, I'll do another one. So you could always do that if you wanted, Lily.
Yeah, I'll do it right now.
So so Mike's going to send the extra to Mr. Lemon.
Yeah, and I'm just gonna give her suggestions before we, just submit it, for like the official grade.
She'll make you these suggestions, and then you'll just do that. And okay,
Yeah, I will.
okay. You did a great job. It looks really good to me. Like wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it looks good.
Okay, good. I hope she does too. But if not, it's time. There's time to change it and do whatever she wants to.
Yeah. Yeah. It's great. Okay.
Alrighty. Well, do y'all want me to just forward y'all whatever her comments were, or just take care of it myself?
Yeah. Let us know.
All right.
Yeah, if we can help you in any way, let us know.
Yep.
Alrighty.
Thank you.
Yeah. See y'all Monday.
Okay.
All
We
right.
only have a few more
Bye.
left.
Yeah.
Woo!
All right. We'll see you guys. Have a great night.
Yep. Have a good weekend. Thank you.